Welcome to HelloGrowthCRM Onboarding. In this guide, you'll learn how to register your account, verify your email and phone, set up organization details, add AI knowledge base information, and access your CRM dashboard. Enter your login credentials to proceed. Then click on Sign Up to create a new account. Create your HelloGrowthCRM account by entering your full name, work email, and password. You can also sign up with Google or Apple, then accept the terms and click Create Account to continue. After filling all required data, click the Create Account button to complete your CRM account setup. Verify your email by entering the 6-digit code sent to your work email address, then click Verify Email to continue the account setup. After entering code, click the Verify Email button to confirm your email address. Verify your phone by entering your mobile number with the correct country code, then click Save and Send Code to receive the verification code. Following this, click the Save and Send Code button to submit your phone number. Verify your phone by entering your mobile number with the correct country code, then click Save and Send Code to receive the verification code. Afterwards, click the Verify and Continue button to complete phone verification. Fill the required details of your organization section. Select your industry from the drop-down so HelloGrowthCRM can personalize the setup, modules, and workflows based on your business type. Choose a starting goal from the drop-down, such as capturing leads, managing deals, connecting WhatsApp, or setting up your industry workflow, then continue. Next, select your role from the drop-down menu to personalize your CRM experience. After completing your organization details, click Continue to move to the next step of the HelloGrowthCRM onboarding process. Select your business country from the drop-down. Here, choose India to set your business location, currency, and regional settings correctly. After selecting India as the business country, choose INR, Indian Rupee, from the currency drop-down to set the correct currency for your CRM account. Fill all the required details to proceed. After filling in your contact and location details, click Continue to move to the AI setup step and complete the next part of onboarding. Set up your AI knowledge base by adding your business description, key advantages, and ideal customer profile. This helps HelloGrowthCRM power smarter AI calling, WhatsApp AI, and email generation. Now enter your company description in the text field to unlock AI calling features. Enter your business advantage, such as verified properties, faster response, expert guidance, transparent pricing, or complete support from inquiry to deal closure. Enter your ideal customer profile, such as home buyers, property investors, tenants, NRIs, commercial buyers, brokers, or businesses looking for property solutions. After completing the AI knowledge base details, click Save and Continue to proceed with your CRM setup. After completing onboarding, you land on the Property dashboard. Here you can view your profile health score, website status, today's activity, and setup checklist to start managing real estate leads and CRM performance. Thank you for watching. HelloGrowthCRM helps you manage leads, automate sales, improve customer engagement, track performance, and grow your business faster from one powerful platform.